Hi guys, how are you? This is Michelle and let's talk. Welcome to my channel. Oh, and before I forget, if after you've seen this video and you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots more interesting things that I like to share with you. So today we are going to talk about a pre-launch software that's coming out in a few days, about 4 days to be exact. Here's the thing. It's called 60 Minutes to Six Figures. I like the sound of that. 6-0, 6-0-0-0, as much as you can make. That works for me. So basically, this software aims to show you how to make 6 figures from website design. Now, I know you're saying to yourself, well, I don't know anything about the internet. Even more so, I don't know anything about web design. Okay, here's the good news. This package is so simple. I'm not going to say a first grader can do it, absolutely not. But I am going to say if you take the time to go through it step by step, do not try to reinvent the wheel. What is key with a lot of these software packages is you'll find people who have been doing software for years. And in order for them to promote the software, they have to go through the learning curve. So the creator of this software package is Shan Din, and he will tell you all about his experience before he came to this point, which is launching the software. He had to create it, then he had to live it, or better still, make sure that it works and functions to do what it says it will. And he did that. Don't get me wrong. It's not a walk in the park. The best way to do it is simply to apply yourself. Don't be like a lot of people who get software packages, read them once, decide, okay, I'll do that next week, and next week never comes. And then they say, oh, it didn't work for me. Of course it didn't work for you. You have to apply yourself. So what Shan tells you about is his experience in using his own software to get to having a lot of zeros behind, that number, and for the number to show up in your bank account. As you can see right here, he starts in March 2017. Well, it starts around the 15th. His first job looks pretty, $995, $1,000. The next job is $1,000, and it just keeps getting better. Now, that's a beautiful summary right there, almost $5,000, looking good in your bank account. I could use that. So, what he has done is condensed everything into a package. It's called the 6-figure web design business package, and you will have access to videos and an ebook, so you can read the ebook at your own pace. It probably will take you 60 minutes, but to actually put everything in action, it is going to take you more than 60 minutes. It's going to take you a while, because every software, everything has a learning curve, and don't kid yourself about that. You're not just going to get on, read for an hour, and then the next hour pump out zeros. If you do, I lift my hat to you. Maybe you ought to sell that secret. So basically, Shan has put a lot of hard work into this, and in addition to giving a 60-page ebook with all the details, he's going to give you also tips on how to contact businesses, help to make them more mobile friendly, and this has a lot to do with their website design. And he's also going to show you how to make money from businesses who already have a website. It's all about scaling and marketing one's business. Next thing, he's going to teach you how to become more comfortable with WordPress. WordPress has a learning curve, and the best way you can do it is by practicing, and the better way is using somebody else's experience to go through it, which Shan offers. He also offers a premium theme. Excuse me, and with this theme, you're able to create professional websites. So that's awesome. You don't have to worry about coding or being a tech whiz. And of course, he will show you how to generate leads. And in generating leads, it makes you more able to make money. So here he does offer a few testimonials. A lot of people say that, it's a great web design course, and it will help to make you a a web design expert in no time. No time is relative to how much you learn and how much you incorporate what you learned. So remember, these are other people's opinions, which they should help you to make a decision, but ultimately you're the only one who could make things happen for you. So you can browse through the comments of others to get an idea. And something that I find really wonderful with Shan's offer, the fact that you have a few days before the launching. Two things actually. One, you're going to get a big discount. That's crucial. Two, there is a 60-day refund policy. So if you buy the software, you implement it, and you find that even after all you've done, what has been said and written, what you've watched, what you've written, and things are not going your way, you can ask for a refund. Now, from my experience, anybody who's going to give that kind of guarantee is definitely confident that what they are providing you with is some value, and probably something that you probably won't even think of returning because of the value you're getting. He also offers a bonus. It's called a mobile-friendly wizardry. Of course, if you don't realize by now, the whole world is going mobile. People are on their cell phones, on the bus, on the street, on the bike, in the car, in the restaurant. It drives me crazy sometimes just to see how people interact with that little gadget versus interacting with people right there in front of them. But okay, I'm not here to philosophize. But it is a fact that mobile friendly is the way you want to be. So without much ado, I really think you should give this software 60 minutes to 6 figures a chance. Give it a shot. Remember, you have a 60-day guarantee. Nothing to lose, just a little time to read and apply what you've learned. And don't forget, you will have the ebook so you can go back over stuff, and you will have the video so you can also go through as many times as you need to get it instilled and for you to find out your next move. So I've left all the information in the links below, and good luck, and here's wishing you more than 6 figures in your success. Have a wonderful time, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.